today we are finally fixing the active exhaust on my Mach1 Mustang. So my Mustang comes with 4 exhaust modes. We have quiet, normal, sport, and track. I've done a lot of videos, a lot of clips, a lot of pulls, all while being stuck in normal mode on the active exhaust. So right now on Mach, I actually just have the factory exhaust, factory mid pipe, but I do have the Stainless Works catted long tube headers, which wasn't a problem before, but after I got a stage 2 Pro Charger kit in there, the amount of power that the car has now, it has been pushing back the exhaust with the catted long tube headers and causing the active exhaust wire to melt. So I have been without my active exhaust for quite some time. This is probably the second time that we've replaced this wire right here, but it wasn't until I think last time where we were kind of like, okay, it's being melted and it's because of the catted long tube headers. So we're fixing it today.
Do you see it? Or you just
feel it?
You feel me? I got the bolt out. Woo!
One more over here.
Accuser of the brethren. I feel like we put Mach too high. I can't reach.
So what you have is
There she is.
That is definitely why.
Cooked. And here is the disconnect. To keep this from happening again, we're going to try and cut off 1/4 of an inch off of the exhaust, and hopefully that will keep it from melting in the future. Okay, the exhaust has been cut. Now before we start putting it back on Mach, let's first talk about today's sponsor. Okay, so I like to think of myself as a pretty good driver, and I'm sure you do too, but unfortunately, we're not the only ones out there. So driving can be pretty unpredictable, and that's where a Redtiger dash cam comes in. This is the Redtiger F77 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam. Unlike most car projects like the one I'm working on today, this is actually a very easy dash cam to install. It comes with everything you need, including 128 or 256 gigabytes of built-in storage, so there's no need to buy an additional memory card. Both cameras feature Sony Starvis 2 for crystal clear footage at 30 FPS, ensuring sharp, detailed video for both day and night driving. Setup took me less than 10 minutes, and I really love the 4-inch touchscreen with voice control technology. This dashcam also comes with its own Wi-Fi, making it super easy to connect my phone and download clips from my trips straight to my device. You can see the vivid colors with the 4K resolution, so I'm not only driving protected, but I will never miss those YouTube-worthy shots while I'm out driving. So if you're looking for a dash cam that can keep up with you and your ride, then definitely check out the Redtiger F77 dash cam. I'll have it linked in the description box below. Thank you so much, Redtiger, for sponsoring today's video. Drive smart, drive safe. Now let's get back to work.
back. No.
Oh, I have so far to go. Oh. Okay. You ready? Okay. All right, and hold on. Hold her right there. Okay, closer to me. Okay, and I think we're almost slid all the way in. Can you go any further, or is that it?
That's it.
Okay. I mean, it's way better than it was before. I wouldn't say it's like all the way up though.
Seems like it's it. Yeah, we're good. We're all the way in. That's crazy how much the thing was broken.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is probably what did it.
What? That?
That scrape,
Yeah.
it definitely had to have
Then
grabbed that a little bit and knocked it.
what a crazy scrape too. Like for it to only hit right there.
Yeah, that is pretty. Charles.
Charles Barkley.
Charles Gnarly.
Am I done over here?
Yes. Yes, very much so. You are correct. Yeah!
Oh no. Use your inside voice. Yeah. No. What if there's a lizard in here? Because it kind of looks like one, but I think it's just dirt.
Oh my god.
What?
That
Doesn't it look
like a lizard?
What is it?
No, it's body glue.
Oh, okay. Hello? Oh,
Hi.
we're on the wrong side.
Hey.
Is this what I'm supposed to be using?
Peace.
Okay.
The diameter of the car.
That looks sketchy.
And that's 6.5.
Oh.
Pussies.
Wussies. Yeah.
Oh, wussy.
Wussies.
I think we can say pussy. The end is near.
Just do another.
Hey, that thing is secure.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong here?
Do the
No! Okay.
Use your force. I might not be with it.
What else am I supposed to use? It's not my force. Low blow. Okay, it's on.
Should I double?
It's done. It's on if you want to come and give it a twist.
Did the twist?
Is it going to stay on?
Did the twist?
Do you want to?
Yes.
Get over here and do it then. Are you going to climb under here?
I'm gonna climb under there with the.
Oh, okay.
We still got a skid plate to put on there. Toots.
I don't need that. Clearly.
Clearly you do. Did you go off road with it?
It was one time.
When?
I had to make a U-turn.
Did you do a burnout?
No.
Yes.
I didn't mean to.
Yes, you did. That wire.
Oh.
Do you see? It used to be against that metal piece so bad that it bent it. Wow. And now look at how much room it's got.
Oh, nice.
So this should fix it permanently.
Permanently? What?
Hunter Biden's laptop.
Who's that?
It's some guy that runs a church or something.
That's in there.
Less of an event compared.
So loud. Really? No. What the hell? Why?
I need the other one. You can try resetting the battery.
I didn't even really look at the other one.
The other one was the first one we looked at.
It was like the beginning stages of the bad one.
Mm-hmm. And then the other thing is where frickin' the Peterson did the thing down there. Remember for the other fault? What was it?
Suspension fault? Yeah.
Yeah, it could still be their wiring there.
Even for the exhaust? Mm. Still there? It's still there.
You can go into your different modes.
Yeah, but it won't change the exhaust. Damn.
I'm sorry, baby.
It's okay. We did like most of it, you know, like the hard part of
Yeah, it'll
like cutting the
be
exhaust.
easier doing the.
It'll just switch out that wire next time. My Oura ring.
Oh my god. That would have been mad.
Yeah. It's a little $500 ring.
I can't tell. I mean, I know the exhaust is. Oh yeah, it's definitely sticking in more. Because you used to not be able to. Like you can get to the back of the car and not see the tips.
Oh yeah.
Like stand at it right here.
And then they pop out. All right, so I guess we're just gonna leave them like that for now, and it's back to the Ford parts store.
I guess we're off to the parts store now.
I had to change my expression so much.
Several days later.
Okay, so it's been about a week and the second harness is now here. So I'm really hoping that this will fix the active exhaust. Oh my gosh, there's a spider on Mach. What the hell? But I also got some new tires for the front because they are starting to show some cords. So we're gonna put these on today as well. What's going on with you?
He's got a piece of tape on his paw. Oh God. Come here, yo.
You hurt my son.
Let me see this. Get back over here. Come here.
He's so cute. Look at his little foot.
You gonna come listen?
They're not listening.
Anytime you're jacking up, hey, pay attention. Anytime you're jacking up a car, you gotta chock the wheel. Look, you gotta put the chock under the tire. That way the car doesn't move on you. So you start jacking it up, it doesn't move. Make sense? Good.
You are a panda. Wow.
Click, click, boom. Your freaking hands hurt real bad. Ow!
I can press it, I just can't pull it. Cause yeah, I feel it click out. No. Welcome to my world, bitch.
Oh, what? Why like that?
Freddy versus Jason. Got it.
Did you really?
Yeah.
This looks perfectly fine.
Uh-oh. Is that the one we replaced last time?
Is it?
It does look brand new. I think it is. Let me look at the other one.
This is brand new.
Yeah, this one's definitely more worn. Yeah, that one's more shiny than this one.
Okay, this one's 6/27/2022.
6/27/2022. Yeah.
Nice! So this is the wire here that we're pulling out. We unnecessarily pulled out the other one when this is the one that we actually need to remove. Okay, so here's the one that we were supposed to replace, and there is copper showing there. If it would focus me, I have faith in that this will fix it.
Oh.
That would be rod knock. Hi, her. Okay, skid plate is off. I got a lot more dirt in there since we last were under here.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry about that. No, unfortunately, I'm not kidding you. I'm dead ass serious.
Oh, dead ass.
Dead ass serious. I'll just tighten up these bolts here so I can actually look like I'm doing something.
Wow. Got a hot girlfriend right somewhere. Don't show any of that.
Why not? It's my show. I'll put in whatever I want.
Okay, well you change tires.
No.
Yeah,
I don't want to change.
over here.
I don't want to change tires. But why Ellen DeGeneres?
Because she got canceled for being mean to her crew.
Oh.
And like acting like it was just her show. Which it was, but also.
I mean, it was called the Ellen DeGeneres Show. Okay, now we check it. Hopefully it works.
She going ham on my, she going ham on my, she going ham on my dick tonight.
No. Why? Should I turn it off? How depressing.
We need to have Peterson fix it. It's a flaw with the Pro Charger, but it's had a freaking
Yeah, and they...
oil filter pressed up against the thing.
So unfortunate with Mach. I was really thinking that was gonna solve my exhaust problem. I have been so excited. I just want Mach to sound good. I want him to be louder. He's loud in person, but I feel like it's just not loud enough for how much horsepower he's making, how cool and unique of a car he is. Like, he's really quiet. He's probably one of the quietest cars that we've had. I don't know, I'm pretty bummed out. Not really sure what I want to do next. I honestly just like don't want to take it back to the shop. Like, Mach is my daily, so I'm really not trying to be without a car for a week or however long it takes. About a year ago, I was having a suspension fault where I wasn't able to exceed over 80 miles per hour. They did fix that for me, and of course it is under warranty, which I do really appreciate, but I'm just not trying to do all that again. So honestly, I'm just thinking of maybe I'll just go with another aftermarket exhaust. Oh no. Oh no. Ruh-roh. Maybe I can just blow it down to the bottom. Probably not, huh? There it is. No! I can get this, right? Easy peasy. Woo, I did it. So I am thinking about like another active exhaust. You guys know I used to have the Corsa Extreme catback with the double H mid pipe. I sold that. And I don't think I want to do Corsa again. I do really like Borla exhaust. I've heard it on the GT. I know Valvetronic makes a pretty cool like active exhaust if I want to keep an active exhaust going. But basically I just need to do some research. I'll look at some different Mach 1s with headers and see how different exhaust types sound, because I need Mach to sound the best. Like, I am picky with the exhaust notes, so probably start that process. But it's Mother's Day, so I gotta get in the kitchen. I'm making a bunch of yummy food, doing like honey barbecue ribs, some garlic parm chicken. I'm making a fruit pizza. So yeah, I'm out of the garage, off into the kitchen. Thank you guys so much. Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe, or else. Bye.